Codex has just launched Codex Mobile, and it's actually excellent for all use cases. This is one of the best launches which has come from ChatGPT, and I'm personally super addicted to it. And I think this is where the future is going. So previously, we lived in a world where everybody was using their computers, everything was done on computer. But now everything is changing because just with Codex, this update which has come in, which I'm going to go into detail and show you examples, now you can connect and do everything. You can, with your mobile and with this mobile app, you can control your whole computer. You can control the file system. You can do and execute any processes. So first of all, we want to talk about Codex desktop app. Codex desktop app is how it looks like. Right now, we've got a lot of different projects here that you can see. And usually when I was coding, I was always going here and trying to change a lot of things. These are all the projects that I'm running, and after something has ran, I was just looking at what was actually run, and I was just making those changes and running multiple things at the same time. But to do this, I always had to be on my computer. But now with this launch, you can easily connect it. You just go in there, there's a Codex section, and once you click on this Codex section, you can connect and change anything that exists on your computer. So you're controlling your whole computer with just phone. So you're just making these changes, and then you're changing everything. On the left, you're making the changes, and this whole casa is running on the computer side, and everything is happening. Because we also understand Codex is going to become a super app. It's already becoming a super app, and imagine controlling all of it from your mobile phone. That's super powerful. Let me show you exactly by running a task. So I've got my computer here. I'm going to share the screenshot, and this is the Codex app that we have gotten. I already connected them together. In order to connect them, things which are important, you need to be on the same Wi-Fi. You need to be using the same account. I know a lot of people, a lot of you guys are using multiple accounts, but it's important to have the same one, and then you can make changes. So now I'm going to go here and I'm going to click on new task. The interface looks exactly like how you have Codex here. And I'm just going to connect. I'm just going to create a new task. Please do security audit of my product. So right now you can see I'm running all of this here. I'm using GPT 5.4. Previously I was using 5.5. 5.5 medium does not work. But look at this. I'm just making changes here, and it automatically does everything, and I can control my whole codex from my mobile. This is extremely powerful because I can code all the time from my mobile phone. I don't have to be on my computer. And anyways, as a programmer since 15 years, we are always on our computer. So now everybody's going to be happy because I'm doing everything from my mobile. Super powerful. If you like this, like and subscribe. And if you want more further tutorials on setting all of these up and how to build an AI automation agency, check out my school community where we are going in depth about all of these things. And we have got a lot of different classes and a community. And also my whole team sits there and helps you with any technical problems.